guys, it's PatrickStarrr. We are here at the studios again, and we are here to shoot our B12 Base Thinner shoots. It is a mixing medium / serum. That's beautiful, that's pink, that's pearly, and we're gonna shoot everything today. And you guys are in the future, in the futuro.
You're looking into like the futuro.
Because we're shooting this in December. It is really cold outside, so we're here, and let's go in and enjoy this vlog. And don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all. Guys, look at all the crafties. Today we have croque monsieur croissant sandwiches, burritos. There's coffee, croissants. Here's our kitchen. This is Marian.
Hello.
She works with us all the way from Texas. What's your
Daily
role? Tell them.
Social media manager.
Yes, so if you're commenting, DMing, if you need product PR boxes,
This is
I'm
me.
just kidding.
This is me.
This is her behind the scenes. Guys, look at the set. It looks so gorgeous. I think the creative is giving, you know what, where's the creative girly? Where's Hannah? Let's cut to Hannah. This is Hannah, Miss Creative Girly. I was trying to explain the creative. What's the creative vibes today?
Creative vibes today. It's K-pop, it's J-pop, it's zany, it's Y2K a little bit. It's our K-pop fantasy today.
And this was your first creative. I said just do the damn thing,
Just
run with it.
thing. Like we want it to be
Yes.
dancey. Today was my first kind of full creative, and we wanted to go very vibrant, very vivid. We want Base Thinner to feel like the music. We also want it to feel like the look and the vibe. So yeah.
Yeah, and she's in her Y2K fantasy.
Two hours left to finish this wig. Well, actually 1 hour to finish this and go down and put it on Patrick. So wish me luck.
Perfectly, baby. I love it. I'm here with the stylist extraordinaire. It's Landon R. Landon. And what is the inspo for the shoot today?
Just fun Harajuku, like Moto Mommy. Kind
I added this hat. This is not, you're what y'all are like, ooh.
Fire.
No, this is the look. It's giving.
We're getting there. This is obviously too thin from my preference. So I cut up a piece of this like closure piece and I just wrapped this around here, pinned it, made it more thick, and then I kind of like teased the base of it, and then I just kind of wrapped it messy and left the piece hanging so that it can look full and big like Patrick likes it.
I have Mongolian fur legs again, but they're pink. Did you dye them or are they pink?
They're already pre-dyed. So.
Okay.
Yeah. And the color.
Okay. Look, she even added a brush belt. All the brushes you could ever ask for, right here. I love it. And the pink tights. See, work with talented people. Work with other people, and that's what it is. Visionaries. I love it.
I need these videos. Like, you're coming back. My work is getting better every time you come back. I need this video. Getting to the finish, and I'm being told I have to be done by 12:30. So I'm kind of in a rush. I just have to finish crimping this little bit here, which is not much, and then the sides and the front. Clip the bang. I'm gonna also add a couple of these little hair accessories on the base of the pony. And that'll be it.
Guys, I'm here with Maurice on hair. What is the inspo for the hair today?
The hair info is giving vibe, vibe, boom, snap.
Bow, bow, boom. We say bow, bow, boom. They want me to be a girl so bad today on this shoot. Landon put my wicked titties on with that green breastplate. Julie's mom, Julie, works with us. Joanne is here doing my nails, so we keep it in the fam. At one size, we all fam. There's a lot going on. This launch is gonna be so cool. Like, I love this product. It's giving like gas skin and yeah, very gorgeous. But as you can see, my face is matte right now just because I sweat really easily. But I did mix base thinner on my foundation today, so it's getting extra smooth. But once I dust off and spray my face, it's gonna give this kind of glowy effect. But because I do have some hair today, it is gonna be a little bit hot for me. That's why I like wearing my turbans, because it like is a sweatband for me. This is Julie. She made her mom drive 2 hours to do my dirty nails. I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
To my defense, my dad drives really slow. To my defense.
And your dad?
My dad brought around. Well, my mom used to work in nails all the time when I was growing up. So she did my nails. I was like, I'm a little spoiled.
You look so cute. How's everything?
I'm having fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you look gorgeous. Your skin is amazing. Guys, I think Glam look at Mom and Choco are working on this set today. This is so crazy. Everyone is so creative. I'm so blessed and happy to, when I see the amount of people working for stuff like this, I think about my very first YouTube video. I think about all the hard work of sleepless nights and editing and posting and believing in my dream. We have so much going on. I hope you guys for 2025 believe in this brand, believe in everything, because if you believe in yourself, what the hell can happen? Okay? Guys, guess who finally showed up? After doing celebrities all day, okay? Tony Nicole Beauty, the face of B12.
Okay, you know.
Show them. How does it feel to be in the campaign?
Oh, she's hot.
How does it feel?
It feels amazing.
You are going in the PR mailer. That
I'm
was
so
our
excited
shoot.
and nervous.
Give them a little bit of background and history about our relationship. Go ahead, tell them.
So I knew Patrick when he was broke, dusty. I saw him walking on the side of the road, and no, we were together back in Orlando. Here we are now, from Mac Orlando to LA, honey. He's got his own brand now. I'm so proud. Like today, actually no, yesterday I was just looking at all the theatrics and I was like, this is crazy. Like,
and I wasn't even there.
He wasn't even here.
I wasn't even shooting.
I'm just so proud just to see like where he started to like where he's at now. I mean, there's like a bajillion people outside. Like, I don't even know what's going on all the way. I'm just here because I'm the face.
Probably like, well, why isn't she in this? Guys, she's an actual makeup artist.
Yes.
She did product development on our foundation shades with the rest of the team. She's also a model in our B12 Base Thinner shoot. So product development, model, makeup artist, and friend. Okay, so she works really hard. I just done sent her to Europe to do more product development.
Yes.
She's jet lagged as hell. But since Ronnie is out of town with a client, Tony is gonna play makeup artist today, touching me up. Cause she's a product development, makeup artist, model, all in the same week. But you know what? I'm here to support my friends since they've supported me. I'm gonna set up. I love you too. We are going to powder, eye drops, lipstick, blush. That's pretty much.
She has a list.
Oh, she has a list.
Yes.
Oh, are you professional?
Medium 5, light 5, Q-tips, eye drops, blush, attention seeker, and fat ass. A mirror, puff. Spray.
Okay, that's it. That's it. I'm a very simple girl. Okay, guys, I'm obsessed with the look. It's giving K-pop B12 realness. We're gonna go on set, and Andrew Valentine is shooting with us today, and there is a robot camera where it has preset arm motion. So that's what we're doing. Let's go on set because they're waiting.
Working, Delphi.
If this thing hits me in the head, it's over. One side is no longer. I got a standing ovation because everyone's standing. So great.
When you did the eye development.
I am sopping wet under this outfit, but you know, anything for the shot. We had Tony get a shot too. We had all the models. Now we're gonna go. Look, there is a seamstress back there that was sewing all my belts and my things for my big ass. Okay, so we're gonna shoot with Jessie. We'll hopefully get some cute photos before my wig slides back. Okay. guys, that is a wrap to an episode on Lights Camera. Patrick here behind the scenes on a campaign day. I'm obsessed. It's just crazy how the brand and everyone's so talented is leveling up. The crew's getting bigger, the snap's getting bigger, the budget's getting bigger. Okay, and I hope you guys were really excited to see the launch and try the flip. It's just so gorgeous, especially if you want that esthetician skin. I did go more full coverage, but I used less base thinner for that glowy look. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Check it out. I love you guys so much. And don't forget that makeup is one size fits all. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Just kidding, you guys. We're still working. That's not the end of the day. I have de-dragged, took off the wig, everything. I did another fitting, and now we're doing holiday selects. So this is what we're doing. It is now 7 p.m. It feels like 10 p.m. at night. And we're still working. Look at these holiday pics. Hope you had a wonderful holiday and new year. If you guys are still here, I love you. And now we can do the outro.